Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Remote Desktop on the host machine and confirming the account you will use. Once done, make sure both machines are on the same network or connected via VPN so sessions can reach each other. Then allow Remote Desktop in Windows Defender Firewall and note the host IP or DNS name. This lets you target the correct machine. Finally, sign in with an administrative or allowed user account so you can open multiple simultaneous sessions if needed. You now open multiple remote connections by using MSDSC or the Microsoft Remote Desktop app. First, create and save separate RDP files, one per remote machine, and adjust display settings so windows don't overlap. This also preserves credentials. Then launch each RDP file in its own app instance or double-click simultaneously to spawn multiple windows. If you prefer, pin each RDP to the taskbar for quick access. This approach keeps sessions isolated and manageable as you switch between. You finish by arranging windows with snap layouts or separate virtual desktops so you can monitor several sessions without losing context. If a connection fails, verify the saved credentials, confirm the host's firewall allows RDP, and ping the host IP to ensure network reachability. Also check remote desktop licensing or services if you expect concurrent interactive sessions. Consumer Windows versions limit simultaneous interactive logins. One quick tip: restart the remote desktop services on the host after config changes to apply them immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.